Enti the almighty Twene Jonas abetre na adwene e wo Shatta Wale eno achi no EOCO FBI ekoto hye nso le fie na Lamborghini yellow no omo ekwaje ye. Twene Jonas abetre na adwene e wo hono be fire his excellency the president John Maham ene EOCO boss Raymond Archer ene EOCO mpanimfo nyina na fe Stone Boy fans ya omo edi wale ho fe no Twene Jonas akeka nsem bi e de akire omo aha Penyah block media meswa so ene di mo obe like video no ada ma subscribe button so na be click notification icon for latest updates na be kire wa adwene dia mame ewo comment section mesra so baswa no a video for so anya bi ahwe I've been giving you update on Shatta Wale yes EOCO any FBI akambo mu akoni fe na Lamborghini yellow na otoye no omu agakwaje asem nyina ne se eye na kwame amo a say America for ache no a was serve 86 months imprisonment mai ni kwadu nyina ne se wo wiawia nema wa America ho no anema wo wia ni sika wo wia nyina no to the sum of 4.7 million Ghana cedi na omu edit ehun se ni nema na wo wia no ni nyina ni nchen wa America ho no watonton bi emom he na there was one Lamborghini bia na ewo mu na Lamborghini mu tresi ye no ehun se car no e wo Ghana Trasaco ento mo de request Emma EOCO say omo say car bi aida na car na we pimo Ghana Trasaco enti no omo investigation na omo car na omo enfamra enumu enema EOCO force ekomu no omo say car na e wo Shatta Wale car na wale mai kwato Lamborghini yellow no enene omo ekwato share so e wo ne fie ne omo ekwaje car no eriko omo akacha Emma no say Shatta Wale ebe kasai ebe kire na adwon e wo ho na asme be na Stone Boy fans no eni age SO wale sole a no odwa nanum na oye dede wada se oye dede ana eda ho no o car na okwato no di udi dwa amanfo asum no ana ya ba abeje no
wona wose Ghana artist who was casting obia kroma also was casting obia wo de $1 million de $1 million or mansions o den wa kran kwa be ha what you say yet sika o yenka bi nhye wona wo sori as den okotoka stolen car na okoto Shatta Wale okotoka untimi koto untimi ko dealership enkoto brand new car stolen car Shatta Wale hwe nim gwase e na afena NDC for belusu na e na die na belusu na hey banku wana chiosa say NDC for belusu na che okotoka stolen car e na mo skasi obi na mo die sin obi afena wo jana de masa asema ba onkon wasemo o talk cars now they flex that any on one no to say any stolen cars at least work with dealership go and buy a brand new car bro una aso whisker and that sorry $1 million na den who spray car hey bundles of money chale enye ezo no go talk car why can't you work to a dealership and then buy yourself a brand new car bro why can't you work to the dealership and buy yourself a brand new car right now look at the disgrace. And I swear na me I don't have any issue but the only issue I'm here to say and NDC for belusu na NDC for na den ntanka ye nkofo nye hwe na nka ye de ope okruma like yenjao yeah na say you so ye bia yeah I mean you have to break the law to do whatever you want because you are Shatta Wale say NDC for belusu na den nah bro me whatever you are doing me no need you personally bro. But for you to come and say NDC for belusu na na den Mahama na den hey banku en kasa kra biem kwada Wale pa
yeah omaji kano omaji lembono Lamborghini no omaji yo ozo bajewo e kan brando if awusia ye wo krum hanom artist ade enim se wonim nwom to a wo de wo be compare with fellow artists I was say in music wise no na artists na the cars and I know di twa na fefo empoa enne ye that's real ye say Charles ni ama mensa aka Shatta Wale Lamborghini yellow one no FBI together with your friend is a EOCO or my baby fat car no and you free fee on all because of say car no na a stolen item a idea ye wia and you have a ton the amount na me pese me busa say when you brena o kasa right now not muso kasa na o kasa no o kasa in pains PWT pains sika o de to lembo no say sika na ye de to lembo ibisa wo sani wo to car no we are sure that sana the price and how to one man cowbeton. We as well send your ponko, the beer and canetono, san and cat conforce on them. Muni be beer mutim the chair Hanon, me ties as some way. Johnny Hughes of TV3, Echo Kasai. I tell you how the man, Johnny no. Hey Johnny. And ne, what I will and answer Johnny no issue. Bibi American, me say, settings no. The warehouse, Shatta Wale. Settings warehouse, Shatta Wale. Me can some way. Namoti Hano Namosamoa. Me catch them say, even if you know what more Trasako no crown, say if you know, any idea. If you know, oh hi. Me can some way who be team at them Namu Samoa. And then down. I feel now Casa in pains. And it's any pains, P-double-T, pains. I bet show papa.
Yo, me pacho, me chacho bibia, FBI, and I'm, me pacho, Hey, such is there do. Then a weird yellow. Such is Ed dead and a weird yellow. Ay, Bebacho, I catch champion rolly. Champion rolly in the can and yanadia. I catch champion rolly. Can and yanadia. What is coming is doing.
Now, Twene Jonas waiting on see Debbie. Error, Debbie. Oh, you uncle know that Debbie. And Twene Jonas mu say, ah there, and it's for that Shatta Wale. A mistake from my coach Shatta Wale. Or was strong fan base. Odi munti into my enemy and this ever power. Is I don't play Shatta Wale no. Say or catch room answer say Oman here room on a day in his beko position. Say Wale can one. Over to me go part na mama. Eti Maham that way a mistake.
Warm up little bit, man. We bring the ram up little bit. Guess what? I buy my luxury cars cash, and I'm the first owner. I am what? The first owner. I am the first owner. Big ups to Shatta Wale. Shatta Wale. Yo. Obviously, Charlie, hold on. Me check your idea. Man, say will be sending me email. Be by anyway. Say, Charlie, what my no bass one no share no creno. Obviously, good morning. I love Twene Jonas. I love you, pa. I love you too. Guess what? Thank God. I really do appreciate say me genuine money. Me more time millionaire, real cash flow. Media anya feel am coach stolen cars. Ami ababe chime. The FBI phone kwasi for your office wa here. Me Jimmy coffee. Amu me. Tembia no mu. Any me picture. No mu come baby. Me ni omuni asem. Omusuro me. Ade ase. Mami sina ye nante mantemwa. I care friend to go to. I see you. I say you can't do. You can't do without luxury cars. David the tiani say. Na say no. I know. Your first saying. Me tweme ho a romantically can be loco. Me tweme ho a can be loco romantic. Let them me tweme. Mo say mirrors no be kata. Me tweme ho kese. Me tweme o cars in the bar na ebo. Cars in the bar dem me na side ya na me panye. Na sa car be bo me. Me tweme ho once a loco romantically. And now a food no say mirror na food. Isn't this incredible? Tell me if it is now your friend to go to anya say be am intime and do go away with the luxury cars. I can do so many videos without the luxury cars, but and a big but the weather has been so much hot. It's been like 100 Fahrenheit, 120 Fahrenheit, it's so much hot to the extent that I don't want my skin to burn, my luxury quality skin to burn. So I gotta chill cars in the buffet. Na me tina na me na mariam na wiye hye me na be wu agya no that the lumba na ekono the cars they see anko kwase bi na ebetwi ne kwa so I gotta enjoy my luxury BMW. But guess what? me na FBI for an animal musro me or more mumia no mucha me salute dientia because I work hard for my money. I work so much hard for my money. I work hard and I make millions of dollars. Okay, friend, go to I see you. I love you so much. You're a subscriber. Say what's up this morning. This morning, the only and see Shatta Wale. It need Lamborghini yellow no. A stolen car and your mother fako. The old man Lamborghini no. Me am photo. Me na me inspire Shatta Wale. Me am photo. Nana Kwame was a good morning. How are you doing? I'm doing so much better, man. Okay, friend, go to I see the luxury gas. The luxury cars. Your hobby, yes, of course, you know what it is. Yeah, bro, okay, friend, look to the tia. Let's recount here. I don't know my hobby. He saying there was a time whereby Nani Penyah Emfa drop through near far from hours upon hours just to go to school. Until we have suffered a lot. Until when I made the money, I decided to buy myself high performance cars, quality cars, just to make my soul enjoy something on earth. Because whatever, look at Bantama to Quadas one and Amico Skunami Nantiano Pebia Kufo. Shout out to President Kufo, the greatest of all time, or the Kufo bus by Intina sometimes may be thrown free. I mean, we have suffered a lot. Intina Yase Abrantia Thomas Peti Bedro Bruchi. Medical culture say a massam yadepa. No abobo anya sika, wo de beye massam na afi no. Ye de wako court ni abeji usika ni nyina ene sisi ano. E ma na bi twa ntra to pete so say wo ma repu no, wa repu omo. E ma 5 onti esi ani sika obo nya nyina wo de tua lawyers. Obetua be wie no. Ye den a ye be di agensiu abroche no aba ye case ni nyina ye be di amama no. Steven ya mense o se Mahama didn't increase cocoa price. Me babe fire no de Martin. Akuya phone bu afupa me babe fire no. Akuya friend go to us. They have to do checks on those cars before importing them. The thing is, the Atiani say, Shatta Wale no ono nye kronfo no. Aya boys bi na ya kronfo no ma wi aka no. E na omo de abegu Ghana ho no omo ton ma Shatta Wale mu fofofo. Ohun ya meche no. Anti boys na omo wi aka no. Bon, anti na ma Trump broni mpa bibini asem amodwene ho ana broni ye racist. Dabi eye bibini ya kronfo. Bibini ya kronfo tie ya meche ni o. Why na pe kronfo asem? Obi am pe kronfo asem. Bibini ye criminal. Bon, anti di omo ye ni say boys no o ma ba brochi no. Bon. Na omo nua no mo Ghana na hyehyɛ ho. Na omu wiam for credit card. So me no ade we na minimo. Kama chada bo Abraham be Moshe pa no. Se omra me da adam kofo so be deport me no. Abema na nkofo be ka chem say. Boys no me frem say ye feel you say feel each other but we are the almighty. Nti say wa bo pa de a ye the secret be kyerɛw. Say say cars a otimi ni nyina ye ne wi akoma no we stolen cars. So and no much that is somebody we are come chada ne escafo kwame despite museum ne some des chesa escafo akesefo no omoto pressure ma youth na pressure youth na obi tweet na o se makoton banchampesie na mato Rolls Royce obi to makoton bidie na makoto ai Lamborghini obi to makoton Toyota na makoto ai friends ai J-Wagon ni nyina mton J-Wagon ne mamo I 50 million, 100 million. The cost require 1 billion. Because it's stolen cars. Obviously, Brony is not where I friend to us. Brony is not racist. But there be Nani Pano Tinukrum now be a car. Nani Sika than accounts from Nua Beria, the credit card, Nua Beria, Tisan, when you're from one emperor. Own problem no. Memetia, Bibini. Mintin fanu come fie die ntia because me scan him no kwa ohu se sabe we nyina Jonas kwase Penyah na anu ya na oba America na ni fie nie na ka se gum no ohu we nyina na ni baba be brem ade be chi no mo de or wakọ han akronfo no ma be robo me so enu ntina bibini yansesa yesuban a ye be bre ye nya nipa mane no ye kan se ofiri akoma mu do ye so enti on to see ebesua nyansa no yenko ye nim owiase da enti Shatta Wale no mesra mo NDC fo EOCO fo ma ban na wo so John Maham mo de Jimmy say nurse a free hospital ayi doctors a free hospital de o ma kogu strike ama dada ke de awu dade a chi dudu dade lumba nso awu mesra mo Shatta Wale ni ya legend o oye the youth legend enti mesra mo when can you kwasam de ba social media ebegu na ni mase because Ghana no adwuma bia ni wa mu bia ma youth no mano mu ba mu discarding na to cast ni e hyewofuo na mu to fie mo mu mi adwuma mo nti boy no Shatta Wale no wa employ so many people out you ka nti di obeya odi be didi nkakra no nti se mu hu se mu nim se onyenya on ne ko wi aya eni kwasam de ne ba bonten mo de ba news esen kam ya underground investigation mo ma de ne professional won na fe no because mo body so obi na wi akoton ma Wale ana obi na wi ade abesi Wale fia ese mu se nipa no onka ho onya ne ko wi ai enti di okowi ai no na mu makwache no na fe no Wale no maja no mana ya ne akoso ai ne nwom no because esi an mo ade ya wo wi ase ne se waye no abedane hiani ai ya che bibia obetima no madurawu ba wote wo memete Ghana na me ne kapre na me ne 10,000 Ghana cedis on my account me fa ho me da me kotena da me ho moto da me mani je me feel but na me da ni millionaire no se me sika short to be $1 million and I say common $500,000 kwa me da me na ti de me cho no emre bi me Bugatti baako ene me Rolls Royce baako eko car service center nche se me ko change engine oil and omu delay me keke no 2 weeks because omu na me ko e no omu pa kire say part ni niwaje so omu order even though say we BMW or Benz we be gufie o all the different types o but baako maaye no baako akoka ho ensa maaye no me da me na nti imagine si wakotam boy we ni Rolls Royce ni Lamborghini o de akasa o mantamu wakotam afiri ni fie o nti kanu kura no big trauma a chance say me sand ya betu social media na Stone Boy fans fu anya no Stone Boy fans no muntie me ye mu wakom na Stone Boy na akura no ono so ka wotim ni nyina stolen cars nti sometimes no mo ma ade ne mass public na fe mo no mo expose boy no na mo be yesa ma boy no afe kura de na pressure na koku no Shatta Wale gina we onya akura o 60 years to say lumba mo lumba started at 80s Shatta Wale started hitting 90s and the different margin here ketu abi oyo lumai Shatta Wale mo ni age group ni dada ke di ni lumba mo se oni ma oba aspandana oto no 60 years enti obetimi awu enti munya ise mo ye dan mo be ya no anya heart attack so enti mesramo mususu nto pressure ma ye creative art industry me Ghana ni bia maka kire o mo munim dada se Ghana cars amode show off ni na stolen cars including as o from West California ni o mo ne kapre cars ni nyina ayi nkofo car no ma wiwi ade abro mo Ghana medical car kire o mo won enti se mo chichi cars na minim se alatafo na adwoma ma de Jimmy di o ma begu no o mo ka ho bi na cars no mo wi am oba Ghana no enti se FBI fo na betena Ghana no mo kire o mo a Mislamo when involved with somebody all followers all fans they say Wale ne ebiasa akodi Stone Boy mu de wa mbesi handle case no nyasa we no Shatta Wale edi matem nyina ne fans fo nyina bedwa mo obisi Shatta Wale 48 and your football age Jimmy and your football age Messi o 60 years Jimmy no na me ti Shatta Wale nka bandana from Ghana na me gina P2 ha me di na ni sanyo me di awade o na me wo fie say o free di ma dream me 30 years enti fan say me o P2 na me di 20 years kra na we university na bandana si obo onyum no 20 years o free na me we school kra bro 15 years o kikabo ma bro be 60 years omunya nkra Daddy Lumba cry and you hit it and oh no, Daddy Lumba now 60 years no cry football age. enti me kan okura kyerɛ wo sɛ ɔmo ba brochi ɔmo tete age no so ɔmo nya nkura Shatta Wale onam wo nyina sika wanya nyina so nanim nyina twintwam e so hu sia papa no wanyini enti mususu nto pressure ma boy no me penasem at least or trying the best so bibi me Ghana ni bia what wa onye kwadwefo a wode ne nse ye bibi no I really do admire them
Ubetwa kyerɛ wa adwene ama me e wo comment section aha Penyah Block Media Accra.